Gideon, the Ratu Matamosi will also got to try himself. There's Volauca. He'll be in impressive form.
Need to hear it out. Need to hear it out. Need to hear it out. Need to hear it.
Get a wolf, get a handle. Get a grip, get ammo. It's the return of camo. A hit with a hit's a trip up this candle. Anywhere can't do anything. Attitude I stick to gets me this candle. Lit in this wick of this candle's been lit by this candle. Eminem sick, this kid sick and dismantled. From the trench of Atlanta, Tennessee and Alabama. For me to be another channel, for you to surf and scramble. Turn so many lies and bust so much fire that my dick's a Roman candle. Sit so up high, sit so much jack that my last name should have been Daniels. Yeah, and I'm standing on this fucking stage. I come from the bottom of a bottle to the top here. I'm talking lemonade from lemons. Bitch, look at me now. Shady, put me on the front row. Loud, crank it. I need to hear it out. It's no accident, my track list has got classics. I'm radio, I'm active, yeah, pick it up, you. They told me that I wouldn't do shit, and that I wouldn't make it. I just smiled and grabbed my nuts, fuck them. Sometimes you. Cause when I realized I was the only one that would ever fuck up what I get, I never looked back and I took my demo everywhere I went, you. I was kicked down, then kicked again, till I was kicking in every lock and hinge. Tried my friends, trying to hold me back so I could hit the road and rock again. And there they are, but I'm standing on this fucking stage. I come from the bottom of a bottle to the top here. I'm talking lemonade from lemons. Bitch, look at me now.
From Jiuta Wainiqolo. Jiuta Wainiqolo, also from Ratu. That was the United States, New Jersey.
Instead with some girlfriends, that band's got a girlfriend, that bra got a cold blood. Couple texts and y'all about bugging. This moment just like I'm stuck. Motherfucker in the function. Jewelry always light up like a motherfucking cop car. I go and make it for my mama. I made it.
And man, that's greatness. I swear that's greatness. You look into my eyes, you can see what I see. If you can say the world won't be the same without me, then we call that greatness. And that's a blessing. But wait a second, look, while we on the subject, let me ask a question. What's the proper word for the fire that's inside of you, that makes you bring the hunger out, the key that puts the drive in you, that thing that makes you wanna hit, pick you up when you slip, the thing that makes you wanna grip and restart when you wanna quit, the winner when you bout to lose, showing when you bout to prove, and never fall back. What you call that? We call that greatness. Yeah, we call that